What is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? Welcome to Dano Crypto. On this channel, I show you guys how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystems. Hope everything is sounding good. Hope everything is looking good. And I hope you are feeling good. And I bet you are looking good as well. So, guys, welcome to the channel. Guys, make sure you do some housekeeping, and we absolutely smash the like button. We absolutely destroy it because, guys, we have hit levels that we have marked on these Bitcoin charts, and we have been giving you guys the sauce for the past couple of weeks. We have been on a streaming streak of streaming for the past 25 weeks straight. So, guys, thank you for tuning in. If you've been tuning in for those streaks and you've been on almost every single stream, God bless you. And we really do appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving the channel. And if you caught us on the Moon Show this morning on Carl Runefeld's channel, The Moon, we do a live show Monday through Saturday, or Monday through Friday, every single day through the weekday, through the week. And that is at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're in the States, and if you are in Dubai or any of those areas, look for like 5 p.m. But we were on today. We were on Mondays as a normal guest, so if you want to catch me on the Moon Shows on Mondays, that's when we'll be on. We're always on there as a normal guest, but we get called in to pop in and give our analysis on the overall market with Mr. M and some other amazing guests like Crypto Kid. We got Tyrell. I think Tyrell was busy, couldn't make it today, so he brought the other degen in the stream. So if you guys were able to catch that stream, thank you so much for tuning into that. And we discussed a little bit of look, the market's boring, The market's boring. No one really cares right now about Bitcoin or Ethereum and just the market in general if it comes to retail. So we're kind of in this echo chamber, this echo chamber of crypto where we think that everyone is in, but we're not even close, guys. So you have to remember, is Bitcoin taking a dump? I don't know. Is Bitcoin taking a dump? But we're going to look at it. I think that this test up to 62,000 was a really nice test to basically go into the CME gaps. We're going to discuss the CME gaps. All right. So look, right now, if you're looking at the CME chart on the 4-hour, we have 3 different gaps. Okay. We are going to be going in to test this first gap at 64,000. Then we're going to be testing, I think, out of this gap, coming into this support, which is so awesome. We are literally sitting at perfect support to be able to fill the gap, go into to 65,000 and test up into the next gap, which is 66,000 if you're looking at the charts on the CME chart. So, guys, I do believe that this bounce was the liquidity low to get us back over the purple box range, which we are trying to do right now. That we marked this last week. On Friday, if you guys remember, on Friday, if you were watching my live stream, we told you that, look, there's a big potential of, God, where did all the Bitcoin charts go? Just a second, guys. Let me find this chart. Here's the chart. We said, look, if Bitcoin's going to break down through this level, we'll look on the daily. The daily is where we had the massive red candle breakdown. Okay. The lowest we could have would have been 56,000. If we broke through that level, then the next level would have been anywhere between 56,000 and 45,000 because of the liquidity here. And you got to see this support level right here, right in the middle at 51,000, which is the halfway point of that recent breakout that happened just in the beginning of the year, guys. 51,000 at February 2024. So now if you're looking at the liquidity lows and you're looking at where the price could be heading, we have a nice oversold portion RSI on the daily. We could be pushing up to the 37 level, which could bring us up to the 63 or the $64,000 level, which would coincide with the CME gaps that we have marked on the 4-hour. And if you put a 1 in the chat if you like this analysis and this market structure overview for Bitcoin for the short term, because I think even though we're getting a little bit of the dump off of the Bollinger Band here, as long as we don't touch the 20 SMA and start sliding down the band, then we are going to start going back up to the band. We're going to slide up. We're already above the 20 SMA. And if you're looking at moving averages, you could say that, let's see. I like to go into a chart that's giving us a nice moving average. Okay, so we are in a long, by the way. So we did go into a long. We entered into a long at 61,000 because we were seeing some froth. Or not froth, but we were seeing a nice bounce off of this level. We said, look, you know, we're catching some momentum here, and it could be that we get a squeeze and fill the gap. And as well as with the bullish news on Ethereum, with the ETF, we've had a lot of last week selling of the ETF, the outflows, I think are starting to subside. And now that we've had that massive liquidity low with the $58,000 Bitcoin right here, then that's what made me think, okay, we've been pushed down pretty hard. And if we were going to bounce from any level, it would be that. And we would push up to at least I like to look at the band where it scoops down. I like to mark these price levels because that is where you have resistance. Price is sitting at support. So I think we have a good case from bouncing from this level up to the short term to $64,000, which would line up exactly with the CME gaps. And if you guys want to get a clearer picture, just go to my profile on Twitter, X, at DanoCrypto904, and you can see here that I posted, and we're going to watch this video real quick because this is crazy, this one right here. And then we're also going to read this right here. Hold on just a second. Where is... There it is. Okay. So you can see here, that was May 2024. We had the 3rd, the 29th, and June 14th. So look at these prices, 64,000, 67,000, 66,000. We're currently sitting at 61,005. Okay, on the 4-hour, we're green candled. We do have a nice wick to touch up to that band, but I really think that we have a good case to be going up and touching 63, 64 here in the short term. Could be really quick too. Could be really quick because look at the money flow, look at the volume, and look at where the RSI is. Look at this. It's really juicy. It's really juicy. It's really juicy. I think Big Daddy Super Paul's Rothschild H-Bar Schiller is actually successful in his meditation of market reversal and shorts getting wrecked because people trying to push the market down. So let's go. Let's go. That just might have worked, my friend. It just might have worked. But cheers to you guys. Shout out to Ryan Birchfield. We got 1738 from watching on X. Shout out to all the people that are watching on X. We got Wesley Sheffield. Who else we got here? But I'll give you a shout out. And guys, if you want a specific project, you want me to do a deep dive on it, you want me to do some TA, you want me to do anything, you want me to do a shout out to your grandmother, send a super chat, and I'll be your guinea pig. I'll be your guinea pig. All right. So I don't know about that guy. I don't know. What do you guys think about that analysis? We're gonna go into Ethereum really quick, and the analysis. If you watched the Moon Show this morning, we're bullish on Ethereum because I think over time. Yo, what's going on? We got Crypto Beehive. Shout out to everyone who's here. Thank you so much. We're gonna go into Sol. We're gonna go into Sol right after Ethereum. And so what I think is happening here with Ethereum is that institutions are doing more of their research and they're doing more of their due diligence into Ethereum and learning that, oh, wow, it's not just ETH. It's just like ETH is powering the 80 to 90% of the altcoin market in terms of ERC20s, strong liquidity, cross-chain staking with liquid staking, because liquid staking wasn't a thing back when Ethereum 1.0 was a thing. Now with Ethereum 2.0, we have more liquid staking available that basically plays into the applications on multi-chains like Arbitrum, Optimism, Monera. Is it Monera? I mean, God, go down the list. I mean, then you got Rocket Pool ETH, you got Lido DAO staked ETH, Coinbase staked ETH. So these people with big money understand this. They're going to start doing it themselves. These funds are going to have crypto guys managing their liquidity pools and portfolios, adding liquidity. Imagine these institution hedge funds adding liquidity in Uniswap pairs. Imagine that. Oh my God. So this is what I'm talking about. And this is what is going to absolutely send Ethereum's price past all-time highs. You have to look at how it broke out of the regression 4-hour bull flag wedge. Regression trend hit real nice, okay? You can see right here, right when the Bollinger Band started to get really tight and squeeze, right here, boom. It had a nice pull, a push to the upside to test. I've never seen such a textbook play out of a bull flag since I've been analyzing these charts and getting more familiar with pennants and bearish. I will say I'm better at calling bullish patterns than I am bearish patterns. I'm getting better at the bearish patterns because now that I'm just getting a little bit more seasoned, it's helping me with recognizing when we're getting a little exhausted. So what happened here was a really nice push to the upside and only a regression down just to test and get more liquidity lows. Boom! Had a nice push up almost to the top of the wedge. Usually it stops here halfway through and then gets a little bit of a shelf and then goes up again. But look at this. Went all the way up here to test to 3,000, almost 4K per Ethereum. And now off of this ascending, or not ascending, but a asymmetrical triangle pattern from the tops to the lows and pinch right here, this I've been noticing even on Bitcoin has been mostly 70 to 80% chance that it goes to the downside. Now, it can break to the upside. It all depends on where the RSI is and where the volume is and the sentiment in the market. At this point, the RSI was too high and the sentiment and the volume wasn't there, so that would give you your 30% or your 70 to 80% chance of it going to the downside. And so this is why we had a breakdown on Ethereum, and I've seen this happen in Bitcoin. There's an area in the chart on Bitcoin where we had this same exact perfect A. If you were to flip this over, it's a perfect A, asymmetrical, and so there you go. It ends up playing to the downside. So, but we've gotten this liquidity bounce right here at 3,200. I think if we break this level, we break this level, 3,500 and 3,600. If we blast through these levels right here, this is where we're going. We're going to top up at 4,100. Okay, 4,100, and we're gonna see Ethereum break all-time highs at 5K. Once we start getting the actual inflows into the market. Because this is nothing, guys. I'm telling you. But like, we're in a echo chamber in a bubble in crypto right now. It's only institutional money and us degens that survived through the last market. 100%. It is the truth. No one cares about Bitcoin. I was telling my friend, he kept asking me like about crypto. Just teach me about crypto, and I'm like, dude, I don't have to teach you anything. Just DCA into Bitcoin and call it a day. I will tell you about the altcoins and all the other stuff later, but first, just buy a little Bitcoin. Own more than $1,000 worth of Bitcoin by just DCAing and just see what happens. But he's like, I just don't understand because I put $20 in and now I only have 15. Now I only have 10. So that's why I'm not doing it. But he'd rather go into the completely rigged stock market with these stocks, and I'm like the return aspect ratio of what you could get on Bitcoin per the stock market S&P 500. Michael Saylor goes into this, and Bitcoin since August 2020 and over the past 3-4 years has outperformed the stock market, gold, bonds, S&P 500, the NASDAQ, gold and silver, property and real estate. I think it has outperformed everything by 180%. 180%. So there's nothing else to explain here besides the fact that dollar cost averaging works. Crypto Naughty, you made what? You made one. Oh, you're just here. Oh, I was like, what did you make? You made a coin? Crypto Naughty came and he's like, I made one. Finally. I made a meme coin. I was like, what did you make? Oh, you made the stream. Well, dude, we're glad you're here. We're glad you're here. I have to tell you guys this. I was taking care of my daughter. She was feeling kind of cruddy and crappy yesterday, so we were playing doctor, and then towards the end of the day, she started feeling a lot better. And so she went to the store with my wife, and she was so sweet, and she insisted on getting me a bouquet of flowers because she said, Daddy helped and doctored me and helped me feel better. And I was like, oh my God, I just like melted into the floor. The cutest damn thing ever. But I'll give you guys a little home remedy tip, homeopathic tip. If you're ever feeling, feeling sick, like pukey, you can do. Here, put them in water. Put them in water. So I'll give you a little tip. If you're feeling pukey or it's like food poisoning or kind of that, and your stomach is wretched, activated charcoal. Activated charcoal. You can buy it in capsules. You take the capsule, empty it, put it in water, about 50 grams, but you just do a capsule. I would just do a capsule. You can even do 2 capsules. You could just swallow them too, but I'd say the fastest way you want to like get rid of that and help your body to like get rid of whatever is making you feel like absolute garbage is just pour that, mix it in, maybe squeeze a little lemon, and that will do wonders, guys. I'm telling you, it's like a little secret there. And combine that with the Herb Farm Tummy TLC. It's called Tummy TLC. This stuff has catnip in it. You ever thought you could actually take catnip, eh? But yeah, catnip mixed with, I think it's, what else is in it? There's like 7 different herbs in it, but one of them, oddly enough, is catnip. Take that. Woo! Heal you right up. Heal you right up. Okay, so let's go into Sol. All right, Sol just pumped massively. We were actually talking about Sol, and we said, look, Sol is on this nice regression trend. The stream, is it messing up? Let's see. Don't know. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Something might be happening. I don't know. Oh, it says stream status poor. Hold on. I might be able to fix this. Let's see. Hold on. Let's fix it. So, okay, so yeah, it's not... Hold on. Oh, yep. Dropping stuff. Hold on. I might have to... I'll be right back, guys. Hold on just a second. I might have to reset some things. Yep. Hold on. Hold on. Are we good now? Oh, wait. Are we coming back? I think we're coming back. I don't know what just happened. We just had a massive snag. I think we're good. Are we back, guys? Can you give me... Oh, no. I think it's going haywire. Okay, hold on. We're going to reset the internet. We'll be right back, guys. We're going to reset the internet. I know. I don't know what's going on. It might just be my actual internet because we've had some storms blowing through, and it could just be, it could just be our actual internet. Hold on, we're gonna fix it, guys. We're gonna fix it because we still got some stuff to go into. We still want the show. We got some things to talk about.